high-precision dovetail spacer milling machine for transformer insulation manufacturing. Designed to process spacers with complex shapes for high-voltage transformer applications. Unlike traditional punching methods, this system uses profile milling technology. It completes milling, slotting, and edge chamfering in one single process. No burrs are generated, and no polishing process is required after machining. The finished spacers are clean, precise, and ready for high-voltage testing. This machine is especially suitable for large transformer spacers above 110 kV. Machining accuracy reaches ±0.2 mm for both length and slot depth control. Smart manufacturing solution for transformer insulation spacer production. Upgrade your production line with high precision and industrial efficiency. Contact us today for technical details, quotation, and customized solutions.